first-gen Camaro here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS Coupe. Underneath the hood, 350 V8, power steering, power brakes, and originally a 4-speed car with console. So on the data tag in line 2, you have the LG option, which is going to be for 4-speed, and that center console. And since we're talking about that data plate, that's where I came up with the RSSS. So you do have the True Rally Sport package, which would be in the 3rd line as an L on that data plate, and then in the 4th line there is a P for SS350 is what this would have been born with. And you'll be able to check out that data plate I'm talking about, as well as the VIN and all the pictures, the underside, the interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. So go ahead, check out all the still pics on this car. If you're watching the video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the paint. It looks wet on this car. Original paint code of R, so it had been a Bolero red. You can see vinyl top in black as well as black interior. Trim code was 765, so that would have been a black vinyl interior. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight, really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, dents. And again, paint shows well up and down the passenger side. Kind of slotted steel wheel, center caps, beauty rings, of course those BF Goodrich radial TAs. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. Can kind of give you an idea from this side though. Also in nice shape. This car, I tell you what, it'll turn some heads, no doubt about that. The way it looks, the way it sounds. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I have a feeling this one will go home with some trophies. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some service work or items that were recently replaced, rebuilt, redone in this car. Did have headers installed, intake manifold as well as carburetor, valve covers replaced, wiper, motor and washer pump, vacuum canister, brake booster, clutch kit, shifter seal, flywheel was resurfaced, pinion seal and rear pinion yoke. So some recent things done to this car between service and parts. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Over 100 pictures of this car online, every angle, inside and out, undersides, engine bay, trunk. If you like Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. If you're into just muscle cars or classic cars in general, do it. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor. You can see up and down that driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, dents. You might have a small touch-up. I found one in the door over here. You can barely see. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Again, 350 underneath the hood. Not claimed to be numbers matching, but according to the cowl tag, this is a true SS 350 car, as well as original 4-speed car and RS package. Seats have been redone. Vinyl looks good on them. Seat belts intact, front and rear. The headliner. Headliner, good shape. I think we should fire it up. Let's fire it up, check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this one for a drive. Take you for a virtual ride, show you it goes down the road. We got a little cam in this one. Gauge cluster, oil pressure, battery, fuel. That was a cold start. I won't expect the temp to be up. Make sure we're in neutral. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. rumble coming out of that Chevy small block. Let me slip up to the front, get a peek underneath the hood, check out this engine bay. I'm going to show you those headlights too, so let's go ahead and check those out. And again, stick around to the very end. All right, underside of the hood light are looking good. This engine bay is beautiful. And you can see the newer headers, valve covers, intake manifold. Carb looks like an Edelbrock on there. And the old school battery cover, but new school battery underneath. Boy, that's nice and clean and tidy. Good looking car. Wouldn't be afraid to have the hood open at a car show with this one. Show it off a little bit. I mentioned we'll try those headlights. Make sure the doors are working. And absolutely they are. Real deal 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, and there's a couple drops of rain coming down today, just enough to show you that the wipers do work. This is a nice running Camaro, very smooth, great looking car in good condition. Sounds really good too. The tachometer on the right is working as it should. Factory tachometer, factory speedometer as well. The wipers are working. AM radio also.
For Mexico, I think, is invading the market. So maybe USDA can.
Their oil pressure is about 3/4 of the way up the gauge. The battery's charging over half. Those are down below the radio. On the center console, where we have our 4-speed manual shifter, fuel gauge is reading about 3/4 of a tank, and the temperature is at 1/4. So all of that looks great. Really nice looking car, inside and out. Factory looking vinyl bucket seats, doors to match. The dash also really nice. We'll leave her in third for this traffic circle. Corners nicely, corners as it should for a 67 Chevrolet Camaro. Very nice headliner, everything looks good on this car. Take a look at all the pictures, see them for yourself at UniqueClassicCars.com.